Yes, what you're reading can be true. Hi, my name is Nikhil. I did my BTech from IIT Madras and MBA from IIM Indore. Competitive exams like NEET and JEE are not just about memorizing formulae and question types. They require deep conceptual understanding and smart strategies. I'm here to help students develop a strategic approach to their NEET Physics preparation so they feel less intimidating. Please remember that NEET Physics isn't about rushing or speed math. It's about beating the clock with smart strategies. After cracking JEE with an All India rank of 764 and mentoring many students preparing for various competitive exams, I realized something very, very important. A NEET Physics question can be solved in two ways. One is the regular form-like approach, and the other is a strategic approach. The key is knowing when to use which. Let me show you with an example. So here is a question from NEET 2015. The question talks about a block A of mass M1 lying on a horizontal table, and then there is block B of mass M2 connected to A where lights. They are asking us to find the tension in the string. The options are given. In a regular form-like approach, you draw the free body diagram for M1 and M2, and from each you get an equation. There are two variables, tension and acceleration, and there are two equations. You first find A, and then you find P. Tension, the second variable, which comes to option A. So this is your traditional form-like approach. The fact being that this is a NEET question, and that we have the four options in front of us from which we have to choose, maybe we can use a strategic approach. If you look at options C and D, they have dimensions of acceleration and not force or tension. So you can straightforward eliminate C and D. Starting from a frictionless table, as you increase the friction, you expect the tension to increase. Going by that logic, if you look at option B, as the friction increases, that means as mu increases, the tension is decreasing, which means this is going against the logic. B can be eliminated. So the only option that remains right now is option A, which is the option we got when we did using the form-like approach. But the difference being, the formula approach might take maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes. In strategic approach, you can answer it in 30 seconds. So these are some of the strategies that you can think of, and there are many more such strategies. So coming to Parasher Academy and how we do it here, we conduct live online classes with focus on conceptual understanding and problem solving strategies. We keep our batch size small, not more than 10 students per batch, so that every student gets a personalized attention and focused guidance. We work consistently towards building the MCQ-based problem-solving mindset. We would conduct regular mock tests, but it would be followed by an in-depth analysis of what went wrong, what went right, what are the various strategies that could have been used, and how do we save time. And we believe this is super critical for success. Our biggest strength is the personalized mentoring and guidance that we offer. Feel free to book a free demo session with me to understand how it works.